Hi, second graders. Hopefully the video doesn't freeze this time. I think it did on the last math video, but that's okay. You don't need to always see my face. As long as you can see the math paper, that's kind of the most important thing. Okay, so here we go. Let's look. Today we're going to be doing some problem solving. Ooh, our favorite. We love problem solving. So we're going to be doing a table, and we are going to be comparing those numbers. Remember that greatest means the biggest and the least means the smallest. So it says fruit stand sold 133 peaches, 167 apples, 138 bananas, and 159 mangoes. List the fruits in order from the greatest to least number sold, and you can use a table. So the columns tell the fruit and the number sold. Oh, and we are so good at tables already because we did graphs, the graph chapter already. So you guys are going to be pros. So let's go down, and it says peaches, apples, bananas, mangoes, and it tells us how many were sold. And you can tell by looking at the numbers in each place value. So there's a 1 in all the hundreds places, a 3, a 6, a 3, and a 5. So you can see the biggest number would be this 167 because the 6 is the greatest. The smallest number, 133, because is a 3 in the tens and a 3 in the ones. So let's go on to the back of that one. This is going to be a quick lesson. It says use the table. So this is the table to answer exercises 1 through 4. Let me make that bigger. Okay. So a school store opened or ordered 640 pencils, 730 pens, 510 erasers, and 450 glue sticks. Fill in the missing numbers in the table. So you just have to take the information from here and put it in the chart. So let's do that. Pens, looks like there were 730 pens. Glue sticks, 450. So I think you guys can handle that. I'm sure your handwriting is probably better than mine because it's really hard to draw on my computer. Did the school store order more erasers or glue sticks? Let's look. Erasers or glue sticks? So which one's more? Well, definitely erasers. 510 is greater than 450. So we're going to say erasers. And I'm going to do my best to spell the word with my pen tool. I should have used a text box. But you know what? I'm doing pretty good so far until I spell the word wrong, and then I don't do so well. Erase. An S. There we go. Silly me. Erasers. And an S because it's plural. Good. Did the school store order fewer pencils or pens? Now, fewer, remember, means less. So fewer means less. Pencils or pens? Which one is less? Pencils. Let me use a text box for this one. Pencils. Okay. And the fourth question. What is the order of school supplies from least to greatest? Ooh, from least to greatest. Oh, let me see here. Least to greatest. So pencils, 640, pens, 730, erasers, 510, and glue sticks, 450. So least is littlest. So the smallest number is 450. So glue sticks is 450. Let me move my text box. And I'm going to actually write the answer above so that you can see it. So let's say 450 is the smallest. So let's write glue. And then we have the next one would be 510, and that's erasers. And then let me expand my box, otherwise we're going to run out of room. And then after erasers, we have pencils. Oh, let me write the number first, 640, and that was pencils. And then we have, move my video. And then we have the pens, and the pens was 730. See if I can stretch this guy out a little bit so that we're all on the same line. And now you guys did not, it said to, there we go. It said, what is the order of school supplies? So you probably could just write glue, erasers, pencil, pens, but I just wrote both just to help me. Jonah's family drove 325 miles on Thursday, 202 miles on Friday, and 411 miles on Saturday. He made the table to show the information. What did Jonah do wrong? Explain what he needs to do to fix the table. Well, I think it says Thursday and Friday and Saturday. Well, he only has enough room for 2 days and he drove for 3 days. So what is wrong with his table? He needs one more row. Remember, columns go up and down and rows go across. So what does he need? And I will write this in my text box. He needs an extra row. He needs one more row. He drove for 3 days, so he needs 3 rows. And I'll make that smaller so you can see it. Now, the beauty of this, boys and girls, is that at school, I can't stop whenever because I have to keep going sometimes. You can pause my video and you can write down whatever you need to write down. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys have a wonderful morning or afternoon or evening or whatever time of day it is.